Hello everyone, my name is Ping, brand ambassador for the Naked Grouse, Thailand. Today we're going to be making a cocktail using the Naked Grouse blended malt Scotch whiskey. Now the Naked Grouse is a unique blend of some of the world's finest single malt. It's also been extra matured in first fill sherry cask before it's bottled, giving it a complex fruity and nutty flavors. Now today we're going to be doing a cocktail that's a twist on a couple classics like the Old Pal and the Boulevardier. What you're going to need, of course, is a Naked Grouse, Campari, Dry Vermouth, and Sweet Vermouth. Now I already got my glass and mixing glass chilled, so we'll begin. I do about 40 ml of Naked Grouse, 20 ml Campari, 10 ml Dry Vermouth, and 10 ml of sweet vermouth. We're gonna stir the cocktail to chill, dilute, and also give the cocktail a silky texture. Delicious. But this cocktail is gonna flavor of this cocktail is gonna be malty, a little bit sweet and bitter, a little bit of herbal flavors. Very balanced. And we're going to garnish it with an orange peel. And drop it in. Here you have it. Perfectly naked. Cheers.